Look at all the cows. Wow.
Gina called them puppy
Oh, hi. I'm fine, don't worry.
cows.
It's been 18 days since I've seen a person. Wow!
Not like the passenger screaming in his car.
Yeah.
I just got out the house. It's been 18 days. Please don't kill me.
Right?
Get up in the air and then stop.
Are y'all in? Yeah. Okay. I hope we can see this good.
We got egg rolls and
Oh,
big
you got egg
gulps.
rolls?
Yeah.
Have y'all ever seen a 7-Eleven like that one?
We're walking to the other
Walking.
side
Rocking.
so we can see them better.
Rocking? I said
'Cause of-
rocking.
This building's in the way.
Oh, rock. You were rocking, not
Yeah,
walking.
Yeah, what she said.
Cybertruck.
This is the first time I've had a Diet Coke in forever.
And I'm drinking water still.
I know. Weird. He's gonna do it right now. Or not. No. Oh, yep.
Don't say that, Kennedy.
Right? I know, it looks like it though.
I'm getting behind you. You're not.
Why can't you get right here?
Yes, ma'am.
You want a bite?
Yes, ma'am.
I want a bite of promise.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That's it.
Look! There's a lion!
Do you got games on your phone?
Can't see.
It's coming. Pearson, quit wasting your film.
No.
I mean, your
Phone storage. Phone battery.
you're just attempting me, aren't you?
Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us.
Now what you gonna do about your diabetes?
What did she say?
You gotta go to 7-Eleven.
No, I'm gonna get me one of these chewy things.
Okay.
Or a couple of them. You got 2 left. I like the strawberry or cherry, whatever it is. Thank you. Baby shark, baby shark.
No.
Then you better delete that right now. I'm gonna get in the middle of y'all and sing baby shark.
They dropped from the helicopter and the plane.
Wow. We came in here to use the bathroom.
Right? Do I look good? I look tired, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm Southern.
I'm a Southern grandmother.
Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Okay.
Oh, shoot. If I was a big back. No.
Crap.
We decided to stay in the front of the 7-Eleven because we literally have the best view up here.
I have crippling depression.
We're walking back to get our drinks because we just found like the best,
Best
spot
spot,
ever.
yes.
Now we're just walking in the road. We found a seat next to some pipes. It's like the best view other than the wires.
Right?
But-
I think the best view
This
would
is-
be in the middle of the road, actually.
It would be.
Because there's no wires right there.
All right, we're gonna go sit in the middle of the road.
I mean, this is a bad angle. Why are you putting this angle?
We'll stick with our pipes. Pipes.
Dang it. Bruh. As I stop. Bro, look at it. It's like an A. own business. And then I just saw the driver just go.
I'm smiling, but it ain't funny.
Back at it. Back at it. Back at it. She ain't never do this before. She back at it. She ain't never back at it. She ain't never back at it. She ain't never back.
Hurry. Hurry.
Dancing Konya Bagiti Baba. Look, there's a lion.
Recording just in case because I don't know what's going on over here.
Run.
I'm trying to get the camera on. Bro, I can't see nothing. No, it went away. It is actually backwards, right? Y'all do realize that, right? It's a DJ.
Oh. Moonlight.
Oh my goodness, what are the odds?
Y'all do know it's still backwards, right?
Where are they?
That was a long video, actually.
Oh!
Was that supposed to happen? Dang it! Dang it! Dang it!
Got it.
Yo.
This is magic to and fro. Please give me one